How to use Discord Orbs Beginner's Guide. Now, the first thing you want to put in mind is to how you're going to earn these orbs. Now, to start earning orbs, you can accept a quest that offers them as a reward. So the Discord Orbs is quite the new feature, so it's currently on its beta version. So it's currently not available for everyone, and once it is, it will be notified to you directly if it will be available. Now, you can do this in several ways to earn these orbs in the desktop app and the browser client. So you can occasionally see the quest bar pop out in the bottom left of the app over here when you are eligible for a quest. You can hover over it to learn more and get started. Through the quest home, you can go ahead and press on the discover button and press on the quest options. Then just go ahead and start the video to see how to do so and gain more information about it. You can complete the quest and claim your orbs reward. So that's the first thing you can go ahead and do to claim your very first amount of Discord orbs. You can check your orbs balance in the top right corner of the quest home and shop right there. You can see that. You can spend it in the shop. You can navigate to the direct message list and go to the shops. As you can see here, there are orbs exclusive items that you can only go ahead and purchase using orbs. Then what you can buy with orbs over here is shop items from the main collections, orbs exclusives. You can buy nitro credits, potentially giving you nitro, a profile badge, special avatar decoration, and special profile effect. The things you cannot purchase with these items though are partner branded shop items, gifts, and recurring nitro subscriptions. So again, that's how you go ahead and spend orbs in Discord and how to basically earn them. You do quests and whatnot, giving you a specific amount of Discord orbs. And again, if you don't see the quests or the Discord orbs option yet, the orbs is currently in limited beta access as mentioned before and isn't currently available to everyone. So again, you'll receive an in-app notification when Discord orbs become available to you. But that's pretty much how to use the Discord orbs in Discord. So once it's available to you, you should be able to know how to do so now. So if this video can help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.